So children, now we will start question number 3. The following data is collected in a survey of some students of 10th standard from some school. Draw the percentage bar graph of the data. As I told you, the 4 schools are there and the number of students whose inclination in science and commerce stream is given in the table. Let's see the solution of this table. What to do? You have to prepare the third column as a total in first school, second school, third school and fourth school and their percentage. So total is what? In first school, in science stream 90 and in commerce stream 60 students were there, so total is 150. In second school, science stream students, in science stream 60 students were there, in commerce stream 20 students, so total is 80. In science stream 25 students and in commerce stream also 25 students, so total is 50. In fourth school, science stream 16 students, commerce stream 24 students, so total is 40. So as you have calculated the total, now we will calculate the percentage of the students whose inclination is towards science. That we have to calculate. So first, out of 150 students, total is what? 150. So out of 150 students, inclination towards science stream is what? 90 students were in whose inclination towards science stream is there. So 90 upon 150 we will take. Total is 150. So 90 upon 150 into 100. That will be 60% in the first school. Same here for second school. Again, out of 80, what we have to take? The students in science stream whose inclination is towards science stream. So 60 upon 80 we will take into 100, that is 75%. Now here in science stream 25 students inclination is there, so total is 50, so 25 upon 50 is into 100 is 50%. Here out of 40, 16 students inclination towards science stream, so 16 upon 40 into 100 is 40%. Now we will show these percentages in graph. So first school 60%, second school 75%, third school 50% and fourth school 40%. So let's see how to draw the graph. First of all, what you will do? You will draw a x-axis, then y-axis, then origin, and on x-axis you will take schools. That is first, second, third and fourth. And on y-axis, which scale you will take? On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. Now 10% means 10, 20, 30 up to 100 we have to take. And total, always draw a bar up to 100. That is because we are finding the percentage by multiplying the fraction, that is the number of students in science stream and the total upon the total into 100. So 100 is there always. Then here the information in the index column, the plain part is for inclination towards commerce stream and the shaded part is for inclination towards science stream. Now one by one, in the first school, what you have seen in the table, in the first school, how much percentage is there? That is 60% students were in whose inclination is in science stream. So we will draw a graph up to 60, we will draw a line and shade this portion in first school. And now in second school, how much percentage? It is 75%. So in second school 75% we will take. Where 75 will come? In between 70 and 80. That is 75% will come here. And now shade this portion. Now in third school 50% in science stream. Then in fourth school again 40% in science stream. So shade this portion. In this way you have to show the bars of 100. Total is 100 because it is a percentage bar graph. So up to total we have to take. Here every bar is of 100 units. Okay, have you understood? So question number 3 of practice set 11.3 is over, and now we will start miscellaneous exercise 2, where question number 2